If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. If you've got one of these waffle makers, I've got it heating up right now, some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni slices, marinara sauce, and the star of the show, canned biscuits. I'm going to show you the easiest, quickest little snack, appetizer, lunch, whatever. Great for kids to get them in the kitchen with you. Great for you college kids that just need a little quick pick-me-up snack for all those studying that you have to do. Let's get started. This is so simple, y'all. You're going to cube up your block of mozzarella cheese. You're going to get out your pepperoni. You're going to pop open this little Jack-in-the-Box. Get your biscuits out. This is going to be one of those where you are going to want to pull your biscuit apart at the middle seam, because you're going to want two of these, just like that. Y'all see how simple that was? Well, yes, I do have a little Play-Doh rolling pin, because these are so tiny, y'all. You want to roll these out thin and flat, okay? Not a lot of work involved. This is the reason why you can get kids in the kitchen doing this. And y'all, you could probably do this unsupervised, except for making sure that they don't burn themselves. Make sure they're a little old enough to understand. If they just want to play in the Play-Doh and play in the biscuit, you do the waffle iron, okay? So flatten both of these. They are so simple, y'all. You are not going to put any sauce inside these, because you do not want these to get wet on your waffle iron. You are just going to put a couple, we are going to call these hot, let's see, we're going to call these Waffle Pizza Pockets. There we go. Waffle Pizza Pockets. I'll tell you what, let's put the pepperoni slices down first. You can put like 2 or 3 just to make sure you've got enough pepperoni flavor in there. You are going to take the top part. You are going to put it on top. Stretch it out. Make sure all those corners fit. Kind of like glue it down like that. I'm going to do one more to where this way I've got 2 pockets on this waffle iron. I'm going to do one more so we can show you 2 at the same time, okay? I've got 2 ready. My waffle iron's ready. All you are going to do, plop, plop, close. Let cook for like 3 minutes to make sure the biscuits are going to get done, okay? Let's let that hang out right there. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see this ooey gooey pizza waffles? Look at that. I'm going to put 2 more on here. Let these cool off just a second, and we are going to see what these taste like. Oh my gosh. This is the simplest little hack I think I have seen. Look at this. Let's just tear one of these open just so y'all can see. There's the cheese. There is the, y'all. Now, you don't have to squish it as flat as I did mine, okay? Now, we are going to dip, and we're going to see what these taste like. How simple is that? Get the kids in the kitchen. Marinara sauce. This is the reason why you don't want to put the marinara sauce in the middle. Y'all. Quickest little snack appetizer. You can fix these and throw them in your lunchbox. Pack you a little bowl with a little lid on it of marinara sauce. Oh my gosh, look at that crusty cheese. I'm just going to have that right there. What did I say we were going to call these? Yeah, anyway, that's what we're going to call them, y'all. So simple. Even a kid can do it. College kids, here's you a snack in your dorm room, a waffle maker, and these, what, 4 ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. There you go. 3 minutes on your waffle maker, and you got a cute little snack. I'm going to hoof this one down, y'all. I'm going to finish these. I hope y'all enjoy this little snacky, and I will catch y'all in the next canned biscuit video. If you like more videos just like this one, excuse me, y'all, I've got a cold. Check out all my videos using canned biscuits on my 4D Farms canned biscuit video playlist right here on my channel. I'll come up with another one before too long. I will see y'all in the next video.